Gold yesterday created a bearish candle, pretty strong one, where we can see that the price has gone all the way back down to the first support level 2653.45, and we can see that from here the price has bouncing back up slightly. What we can see also that the price has formed a bearish breakout below this area of small support around 2669 price level, and it has stopped it on the second one, a support level around 2661. So if you go to the lower time frame, so the first one that was 2699, just a minute, let me check this one, 2670, first one was 2676 precisely, 0.40, we can see that has been broken, and then the second one around 2662 has also been reached, and we can see that price tried to move even further down to the 2653.45, but here the price for some reason has stopped and then reversed back up, and we can see it's trying to reach higher price levels. So what we can say today, what would happen? Now, what I can see, it is on the small time frame. I'm expecting the price to rise in value, and we can see that I have already opened a buy order with the target very close to the 2676.40, a resistance level, and this has been shared also inside the premium analysis with the traders, so they can expect where is the next target. We can see that the price has stopped also and has been broken this confluence of resistance, which means the price has found enough strength to push the price higher, and this also a bullish candle that has been formed is indication of the further rise in value. So for now, on the lower scale for today, I need to see the bullish breakout here above 2676.40 in order to rise in value going towards 2690.07. Now we can see on the daily time frame that very important resistance level will be right here to 2680.76, and after that will be also around this area here, 2680 and 2685, and above that it is the next target will be around 2693, which is also visible on the lower time frame, which is 2690.07 as a very important one. Now 2676 is the next target. I'm waiting for the bullish breakout, or if the price turns back down below 2662.90, it will target again the daily support level 2653.45. Now, because of this strong bearish candle that has been formed yesterday, it is some kind of indication of the selling pressure right here, but it is the price is in the middle between this area of resistance, this support, so I'm still inclined to see price high reaching higher price levels, unless the price goes below this area of support. So for now, slightly bullish, but we'll see what happens on the lower time frame on these small resistance levels, which needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value or in order to lose its value. This will be also shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, so feel free to check that. The link will be below in the description. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.